Hello everyone, welcome to the SMS campaign tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create an SMS sender ID, SMS template and how to create and send an SMS campaign. Let's get started. Before sending SMS in India, it is mandatory to get your sender ID and SMS templates approved on the DLT platform. Now, what is DLT? DLT stands for Distributed Ledger Technology, introduced by TRIA to reduce spam and unauthorized SMS. For India, DLT approved sender ID and SMS template are required. DLT charges may apply depending on the operator and DLT provider. For other countries, this DLT approval process is not required, so you can directly create templates and run SMS campaigns. Now, let's create a sender ID. Go to Omni, click on Senders and then click on Add New SMS Sender. A sender ID is the name that represents the sender and appears on the recipient's phone when an SMS is received. A principal entity ID is a unique ID assigned to your business on the DLT platform. It verifies that your company is authorized to send SMS messages. The header ID is the approved sender ID registered on the DLT platform and linked to your account. It ensures your SMS is sent using a valid and verified sender name. For India, enter the approved sender ID and principal ID received from the DLT platform. For other countries, some countries allow custom sender IDs without strict approval. Some countries do not support sender ID registration. So message may come from a number instead. Rules vary depending on the telecom regulation of each country. Click on Add. After submission, once the status becomes approved, the sender ID is ready to use for campaigns. As you see, status has been approved now. So let's create an SMS template. Go to Templates and click on Add New SMS Template. Here, you need to enter the following details. First, template name. Enter a template name so it can be easily identified later. Message template. Enter the SMS content that will be sent to users. For India, the message content must be exactly the same as the template approved on the DLT platform. Even small changes in text, spacing, punctuation or variables may cause the SMS to fail or get rejected by operators. Make sure the same variables are also approved in the DLT template. But for other countries, you can directly write the SMS content you want to send to users and add variables like name, OTP, etc. to personalize the message. Also use the generative AI feature to automatically create SMS templates. DLT template ID. For India, enter the approved DLT template ID received from your DLT portal. In most other countries, a template ID is not required. Template ID, DLT template type. Now select the appropriate template category. There are 4 types of SMS templates. First one is transactional, used for OTPs, banking alerts, payment confirmation, order updates and other important service messages. Second one is promotional. It is used for marketing campaigns, offers, discounts and promotional activities. Third one is service implicit. It is used for sending services or informational messages to existing customer without explicit consent. Fourth one is service explicit. It is used for service related communication where the customer has explicitly opted into receive messages. After filling all the required details, click on Create SMS Template. Once the template is created and approved, it will be available for campaign use. After creating the SMS template, now let's move forward to create and send an SMS campaign. Click on Campaigns, Channels, SMS and then click on Create SMS campaign. Message channel. Select the type of SMS campaign you want to send. Message route. Select the SMS route. Sender ID. Choose the approved sender ID that you created earlier. But in most other countries, selecting a sender ID is not required. Campaign name. Enter a campaign name so you can easily identify and track the campaign later in reports and analytics. SMS templates. Select the approved SMS template that will be used for this campaign. Now choose the audience source for sending SMS. There are basically 4 audience options available. First one, segment from CDP, upload CSV, Excel, manual entry, CRM integration. Segment from CDP. Select an existing audience segment created inside the CDP module. Upload CSV Excel, upload contact data directly using CSV or Excel files. Manual entry, manually enter mobile numbers for small campaigns. CRM integration, import audience data directly from integrated CRM platforms. After selecting the audience, you can review the SMS preview on the phone screen shown on the right side here. Once everything is verified, click on Send Now. Your SMS campaign will be processed successfully. Send now. You can view all your running and completed campaigns here. Click on the View button to check detailed campaign analytics. You can also download campaign reports in Excel format, CSV format, as you can see there. These reports help you track campaign performance and delivery status easily. Now you can view country-wise SMS pricing in the platform. Go to Billing, Price Book, and then SMS. Here, users can check SMS rates for different countries, which helps them understand the cost per message before sending campaigns. That's it for this tutorial. Using this process, you can easily create sender IDs, templates, and SMS campaigns from the panel. Thank you for watching.